Hi guys, Mac Princess FX Muka. Today I'm going to show you on how you can use the moving average to open trades. So let's get started like so. I'm going to be using a demo account. This is a demo account. It's a currency demo account. So like you can see, it's got a balance of 9,053 and 9 cents USD. So when you click on the first button where it says quotes, you're going to see different types of currencies that you want to trade. There's a Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP Swiss franc, USD JPY, USD, etc, and there's also go there. If you want to add more currencies onto this quote section, you can just click on the plus sign on top there, like what I've done. Then you go to Forex. You choose whatever you want to add. If you want to add everything, you just click add into added. For example, let me have the USD ZAR. I had the odd card, odd and Swiss franc, odd JPY, card JPY, Euro card, Euro JPP. So when you are done, you can always go back. Like you can see, all those currency pairs that I clicked on, they have been added to the quotes currency there. And then if you want to go to the chart window, where you now see the currency that you are going to choose. For example, you want to trade or analyze. Let's go to gold. Let me click on gold. This window will pop up. So there now you go to chart. As you can see, that's the chart box. Here it will be showing you the buyers and the sellers being represented by the bullish candle and the bearish candle. So the bearish candle is the market which is coming down, and the bullish candle represents the market which is going up. So for easy entries, for example, if you want to now use technical analysis or tools, or to be specific, technical analysis is just a trading methodology of using price action with the aid of using tools, and there are different types of tools that you can use in form of indicators: the moving average, RSI, the stochastic oscillator, momentum, etc. That's but for today we're just going to use the RSI. As you can see on my screen here, the phone is playing up. Let us go back and give it some few minutes. Yeah, it's popping up. As you can see on the screen there, we've got the chart window, but you have seen other funny looking kind of things on the screen. These are just some of the indicators. So what we are going to do basically, as I teach you, we're going to get rid of all of these indicators by just doing like so. You press and hold, then you click on the plus sign, then you go to on top there is a F symbol. You click on it, then you go to delete. Then you choose that which we don't want. Then we go moving average. We don't want it. We don't want that. We don't want that. We don't want the Bollinger Bands. We don't want the moving. Then you just delete everything. You go back to the main chart, and this is now a naked chart. It hasn't got anything. It has just got the candlesticks, which are being represented by the bullish and the bearish candle. So for example, if you want to use the moving average to help you with your entry and exit point, you just go to this F symbol on top there like so. Then you click again on the F, then you add moving average like so. So that is the moving average parameters. So on period we are going to change. Let's put our own settings like so. Just delete that. So we're going to be using the 50 moving average. Then we go to the pixels there, we change the color, You choose red, the pixels there. If you want the line to be a bit thicker, you can we choose 3 pixels. And there on simple, we use exponential and leave everything the way it is appearing. We want this to appear on all the time frames from the 1 minute to the monthly. So you just click on done, go back. That's the 50. Again, you go back to the add again, moving average. You change the period, delete what's there, we use the 200. And then we change the color code, we put blue. The pixels, let's go for 4. Done. And then you go back. That's it. As you can see, that's the 50 and the 200 moving average. So the 50 is the fast moving average and the 200 is the slow representing the long-term trends. So what we're going to be basically doing here, we are going to use the 50 and the 200 moving average to help us in terms of opening trades. So when the 50, which is the fast moving average, crosses the 200 on top, like the way it is on the screen, if you can see, it crosses on top, pointing downwards, then you have to sell. You understand? So you even see that the prices would have also crossed the 200. They'll cross and they'll do a retest, then start dropping. So the moment the 50 crosses the 200 on top, that is a sell signal. So you're looking at having selling opportunities. And then the moment the 50 closes the 200, it closes below, then that's a buy, like so here. If you see here, the 50 closed it below, going up. You see how the market bought. If you use the crochet, you just drag it there where it crossed. As you can see, the market really moved up, going up there. Even when I try to push this, it really moved. The market really moved, really moved like no man's business from that point there, going the other side. So that is the use of the moving average to help us in entering and exiting the market. So the moment you see the 50 closing the 200 on top, that is a sell. And when it closes it from below, like so here, that is a buy. So for this technical analysis to be effective, you have to to combine it with other trading entries, whereby you do the top-down analysis. As you can see, you start from the monthly, you see how the monthly candle opened, then you go to the weekly, daily, for trends. Those are the time frames where you identify the trend, whether it is a downtrend or an uptrend. You always trend. Don't trade against the trend. Your trend is your friend by you trading in line with the trend. And then you move now lower to the lower time frames for entries. The H4 is just for the support and resistance levels, where you draw your trend lines and your zones. Then you drop down to 15 minutes. I always do my entries in 15 minutes. There's no magic about it. It's just your trading pattern. Some people use the H4, but I use the H4 for my support levels and resistance zones. Then I use my 15 minutes for entry. So if this video helped you out, you like it and you love to see a lot more videos, you don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends and family, and let's get to learn a lot of stuff on this channel. Bye bye and God bless.